Welcome back to our WhatsApp integration series at Tech Ultra Solutions. Today, we are exploring a marketing module where we'll show you how to efficiently send promotions and bulk messages to your customers. So, let's dive in. So, for this, first you need to activate the WhatsApp marketing. So, go to apps and here in the app section, search for the WhatsApp marketing. After that, activate the Odoo Meta WhatsApp marketing. So after activating the WhatsApp marketing, go to WhatsApp marketing and click on new. Here in the name section, you have to enter the marketing campaign name. In the recipients model, you have to select the contact, and in the partner section, you have to select the customers whom you want to send this marketing campaign. Select the provider, and in the template section, you have to enter the template. Template can be static, interactive, and dynamic. Then click on send now, and here you can see the stage has been moved from draft to in queue. Usually this marketing campaign is sent to the customers in 1 hour. So usually this marketing campaign is sent to the customers in 1 hour. But if you want to send it manually and right now, so you have to turn on the developers mode and go to settings and then go to technical. Here in the technical, you have to select scheduled actions. So here go to WhatsApp marketing and click on run manually. So now the template has been run manually and here in the WhatsApp app you can see the message has been arrived. So after that you have to go to WhatsApp marketing and here you can see the message has been sent. So here you can also see the stage has been moved from in queue to sent. So now we will see another way to send the marketing campaign. So go to WhatsApp messaging list contact and here in the contact name, you have to enter the contact name and enter the mobile number with the country code. After that, click on save. Now go to WhatsApp messaging list. Here, click on new, enter the name and in the contact type, you have to select the list. Here you have to select the contact which we have created and click on save. After that, go to WhatsApp marketing and click on new. And here in the name field, you have to enter the name of the marketing campaign. Here you have to select the messaging list. And here you have to select the test group which we have just created. Enter the provider and select the template which you want to send to the customer. Now save this and click on send now. After that, go to settings and here in the technical menu, you have to select scheduled actions. So here go to WhatsApp messaging and click on run manually. After refreshing the page, you can see the template has been sent. So now we will learn how to create a campaign using contact group. So click on new in the WhatsApp messaging list. Here in the name, you have to enter the name. Then in the contacts, you have to select the contacts. I am adding the contacts from my database. After that, save the data. So now go to WhatsApp marketing and click on new. Here in the name, we have to enter the name of the marketing campaign. Here we have to select the messaging list and here we have to select the test contact group we have just created. Select the provider and select the template which you want to send. After that, click on send now. After that, in the next tab, you have to select run manually in the scheduled actions. So here you can see the message has been sent. So refresh the page and here you can see the message has been sent. Here you can see the customers have seen the message and the stage has been moved to red. And for this type of bidirectional conversation, you have to install the discuss module. So here we will see the marketing campaign history in the WhatsApp messages. And in the contact message history, here we will see the history based on the contacts when the conversation has been initiated from the client side. So now we will see the different additional features of the marketing module. For that, go to WhatsApp marketing and here enter the name of the marketing campaign, select contacts and tick yes for the domain. We can select different domains here. I'm giving you an example of a country domain. Select the country and here you can see three records have been fetched. Select the provider and select the template which you want to send. After that, save the data. Now we have an additional feature to test the marketing campaign before sending it to the customer. So click on test, enter the partner name, and here select the template which you want to send. Click on test. So here you can see the WhatsApp template has been sent successfully. So we have another feature to schedule the marketing campaign for a future date with a future time. So go to schedule and here you can select the date and different time. And we can use the messaging list as a broadcasting group for the contacts and list. So for that, you have to go to messaging list here, enter the name of the marketing campaign and select contacts and contact type. And in contacts, you can select the different contacts you want. After that, click on save. Go to WhatsApp messaging list contacts. Here you can create a new contact by clicking on new. And if you want to import the records, you have to click on the smart button and here you have to select the import records. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned.